Namaste. Good evening everyone. My dear children, today was the day wherein everyone have attended AISSEE examination 2024. I hope everyone have done your exam paper very nice. Let us hope for the good results. Myself Rajeshwari Vikram Nadigoda from Saini School Coaching Center, and we are based here in Lokapur, Karnataka state. My dear children, I hope the English language section was very easy for you all. And let us see what will be your outcome. First question, choose the correct spelling from the given option. Sanction, sanction. So we see SANCISON, SANCCION. So the correct spelling for this question, it will be SANCTION. Coming to the second question, choose the word opposite in meaning to the given word. What is the given word? They have given forgiveness. So the exact opposite word for forgiveness, it will be revenge. Okay. Choose the correct article from the given option. He is dash honest officer. Honest. So since the sound of vowel comes for honest, we put an. An is the correct answer. He is an honest officer. Question number 4. Identify the tense of the following sentence. The sun sets in the west. When you are identifying the tense of any sentence, the main thing we observe in that sentence is the form of verb used. Here the verb is set and they have used V1. And V1 is used in present indefinite tense. Subject, verb, and this is object. So the verb form V1, it is in tense. Coming to the question, fill in the blank, fifth one. The dash of these products dash good. The quality of these products is good. Many students get confused that the product is plural. So they try to use are or were. The correct answer is because the subject here is singular. The quality of these products is good is the appropriate answer. Next question, there is a passage which goes like, it is believed that a pashmina shawl is as warm as 6 sweaters. It is very thin yet very warm. The goats from which the soft pashmina wool is collected are found on very high altitudes of 5000 meters. In winters, the temperature here drops below 0 degrees Celsius. A coat of warm hair grows on the goat's body which protects it from extreme cold. The goats shed some of their hair in summer. This hair is so fine that 6 of these would be as thick as one hair of yours. The fine hair cannot be woven on machines, and so weavers of Kashmir make these shawls by hand. This is a long and difficult process. After almost 250 hours of weaving, one plain pashmina shawl is made. Imagine how long it would take to make a shawl with embroidery. This is the passage. And now let us see the questions. The right answer is the goat shed some of their hair in summer. Next question. After almost 250 hours of weaving, one plain pashmina shawl is made. A coat of warm hair grows on goat's body which protects it from extreme cold. What they have asked is the parts of speech of hair. Hair is a thing or a material, so it is considered as noun. Noun is the name of person, place, animal or thing. Choose the opposite of thick. It is thin. Opposite of thick is thin. Coming to the question number 11, we have here identify the adjective from the given options. So the options here are high, found, birds remains. So found is a verb here. Find, found, found. Birds, these are animals, so it is considered as noun. Remains, remains, it will be a noun. So here we are left with high, which describes a noun or pronoun. High is an adjective. Question number 12. Fill in the blank with correct degree of comparison. I have dash money in my pocket. I have more money in my pocket. This is the right answer. Question number 13. Choose the word that is opposite of real. Real and the opposite is imaginary. Imaginary is the correct answer. 14. They have asked choose the correct spelling. They have given the spelling of receive. Receive spelling is RECEIVE. Receive is the correct answer. Choose the correct option to improve the sentence and replace it with underlined word. Did their bus come on time? THERE, there refers to the place they are mentioning. But the appropriate answer is they. THEIR, which is a pronoun. Question number 16. Choose the correct option to improve the sentence. Ram left the house before Sham got there. So they have underlined the word left here. So the appropriate word that can be used in the place of left is Ram had left. Ram had left the house before Sham got there. Next one, question number 17. I needn't ask him. What they have asked is suitable question tag they have asked. So the sentence is negative sentence. The question tag that must be coming here must be in positive form. Many children they get confused and see here they have used need and need I will be the question tag. No, need I is not the correct question tag for this. The correct question tag when needn't is used will be do I. Do will come when we have used needed. But I see do I option is not given. So let us see if this comes under any grace mark question or what. Okay. Coming to the question 18. Complete the sentence with correct form of verb. The train dashed suddenly. So the appropriate answer will be the train stopped suddenly. Question number 19. Choose the sentence having intransitive verb. Intransitive verb is a form of verb that is used in a sentence which doesn't have any appropriate object to rely on. Usually in a sentence we will be having subject, verb and object. Subject will be the doer or who is doing the action. Verb will be his action and object will be the thing which receives the action. Okay, here intransitive verb means the verb that doesn't have any receiver of action, which has no object. So here this will be the question number 20. Fill in the blank with suitable conjunction. Conjunction is a word that is used to join any two words or two sentences or any two phrases. Let us see here. I do not know dash he has gone or not. Many children here get confused with whether or if. What to use here? Here the appropriate answer will be whether, because there is no trailing sentence that gives you justification. They have just ended the sentence with or not. Next, complete the sentence with suitable article. Ram is a dash student whom we all expect to get less than 35% of marks. Article to be used here is the, because they are very much specific about the students who is going to score this much mark. Means when you are definite about the student, we use the definite article. Question number 22. Fill in the blank with correct preposition. Preposition is a part of speech which gives you the specific position or location of noun or a verb. Here the speaker is going dash the subject. So we need the speaker is going off the subject. Fill in the blank with correct word. Akbar's army dashed the castle of Chittorgarh. So the correct word that will come here, it will be seized. Question number 24. Choose the correct meaning of beat the air. Beat the air means to make useless effort. To make useless effort. Question number 25. Choose the word opposite in meaning from the given option. Threat. The opposite of threat, it will be safety. Dear children, with this we will be concluding the English section. Please check what all answers you have ticked in the examination. If you have any doubts regarding this section, please drop me a comments below this video. Please like and subscribe my videos.